What up, guys? It's me, GamerGuyTV here, and welcome to episode 5 of the Google Drive course. Now, today, as you can see by the title screen, we're in Google Forms. Now, might I just add a personal side note? The color theme of this episode is purple, and I love the way the text looks. Also, let me know in the comments below if you like what I've been doing with the color themes. So, what is Google Forms? So, Google Forms is the form/survey part of Google Drive. Now, there are plenty of other form/survey creators out there, but Google Forms hooks into the Google Drive and Google Cloud. And from what I understand, it is also one of the most commonly used programs to do this. I'm not sure if that is true or not, but from what I've heard, it is. There's Microsoft Form, there's SurveyMonkey, there's plenty of these things out here. Let's be real. So, how do you use Google Forms? In order to create a form, you hit the plus button like normal, but you're going to want to go under More and Google Forms. Now, they have templates, ladies and gentlemen. They have templates. So, I'm not going to go through the templates because it is more fun for me to talk about this, and it is also more fun for you guys to create your own Google Forms. But this is what you see when you create a blank form. It does not look like any of the other ones. So, in order to share the form out, you're going to want to hit send. It is not like, the other Google Drive programs where it has, like, share. You add the email addresses, you can send, you have a link, and you also have an embedded HTML. There's a subject, and there's a message. You can also include the form in the email, and you can also add collaborators. This is the normal sharing. But yeah, it is great, and you can collect email addresses and stuff like that. So let's take a look at some of the features of Google Forms. So, themes. Yes, you heard me right, themes. Yes, Google Forms has themes. Oh, I forgot to name the document. Let's see. Google Drive course form Google Forms. And now the URL address for Google Sheets was sheets.google.com. Google Slides was slides.google.com. Google Forms is docs.google.com/forms. It doesn't have its own URL. But yeah, you can change the theme color. You can choose an image, and they have their own themes, like illustrations, birthday, food and dining, party, or they have their own header images, night out, travel. You know what? No. Let's not do that. Let's go work and school. Let's see, which one do I like? Ooh, this is a tough one. I'm going to go with this one. So it is choosing the image and uploading it in. You can also upload your own images. And it has theme colors. You can choose a background color. And yeah. So there's that, and you can choose like font style and stuff like that. I happen to like basic. So now what we are going to do is we are going to take a look at the basic question types of Google Forms. Now, the first question type is the basic text. Short answer. So let's see. Text question. And it'll ask for a response. And there is a required option, and it'll put like a little red asterisk next to the question, and it will not let you submit the form if you do not answer that question. Now, the paragraph response. I've had a couple of these on tests, and let me tell you, they suck to answer. And my Streamlabs just freaked out because my CPU just spiked. Great. For the record, guys, we are totally freaking out Streamlabs OBS. Question. See, there's the little red asterisk right there. Paragraph question. And it'll give long answer text. Now, by the way you create a new question is like that. And you can import a question, you can add a title and description, you can add an image, you can add a video, you can add a section, stuff like that. But we are in the checkbox area. And let's see, checkbox, not box question. You can add option 1, option 2, option 3, and other. We'll make that required too. You can select more than one of these. So the next question is multiple choice. Alright? Multiple choice. Multiple choice question. So again, it's with options, but you can only choose one. And it will ask you to elaborate on this one. But you can only choose one of the possible answers for the multiple choice questions. That's the point of a multiple choice. Now, the next question type we're going to talk about is the list. So, I call these things very different than they do. Because I'm looking at the next one, and it's not on here. You can also upload a file. And there's also a drop-down, which I don't have on here. So, okay, maybe drop-down is list. Yeah, drop-down is list. So, it's, again, options. I believe you can select one. We can preview this form when we're done to take a look at how this is answered. So, the next one that we're going to talk about is scale. So, it's called linear scale, and there is an option of 1. It gives you an option of 0 to 10, or 1 to 10, or 0 being the minimum number, 0 or 1 being the minimum number, and anything above that up to 10 being the maximum number. Now, you can add labels like min and max, and scale question. Alright, the next one we're going to look at is the grid. Now, there are two types of grids. There is a multiple choice grid, and let's just do a 3x3. We will see how this looks later on. But yeah, multiple choice grid. Now let's look at the other type of grid. See, that's how that looks, by the way. Now let's look at the other type of grid, which is a I can't talk. Checkbox grid. Now, I don't know what the differences between these two are. I'm essentially winging this. I didn't do the research. I've been working on this series for, no joke, a month at least. I've wanted to do it for a while. And I finally got around to doing it. So the last question type we are going to look at is a date question and a time question. So month, date, year. Let's see, date. And then you can also have a time question of, like, time. Let's see, time. So now that we have all of the questions in, let's preview this. All right, let's take a preview. So text question, absolute gibberish. Paragraph question, ignore the typing noises. Checkbox, again, you can choose, multiple choice questions. You can only choose one of, or you can say other and give absolute gibberish. For the drop down, I forgot to give it a title, but we'll just choose option 4. Now, scale question, if you were giving a survey of, did people enjoy an event? You give, like, minimum enjoyment, maximum enjoyment. You can do like that or like that. That's only one per, multiple choice is only one per row. The checkbox is more than one per row. So 306 or 6. And time, let's just go 10:09 because that's all the stuff Apple uses for theirs. Now you can go and submit it. Let's see. Can I submit? Response has been recorded. So that leads me into my next thing to talk about with Google Forms, which is responses in Google Sheets. So as you can see, there is a Google Sheet. I'm not going to create... screw it. I'll create the spreadsheet. You're welcome. So, yeah. As you can see, it gives you the timestamp, then text question, paragraph question, scale question. It gives you the question title, and, stuff like that. It basically shows you all the responses in linear form, and then you can get a summary within Google Forms. You can get a summary. Oh yeah, we forgot to fill that out. Oh well. Then you can get responses by question or individual. So, and when it says individual, it means individual response sets. So, now, there is a quiz mode. Yes, you heard me right. Quiz mode. So, I don't know how you do the quiz mode. I'm supposed to know how to do this. So how do you go about... Whoa. Oh, it says how to grade the test. Did I confuse these? Or is it just... Nope, I messed up. That should say how to add points to test. Response validation. Nope. Okay. I'm sorry. I do not know how to add points into this. Maybe it can't be... How do you... Oh, wait, is it under template? I'm sorry, guys. I'm confused as you guys are right now. So let's just go blank quiz. So yeah, blank quiz. Locked mode for Chromebooks. Nice. Dismiss. I don't care. So option 1, option 2. Let's see. Answer key. We'll make it option 2, and that is 2 points. Now we'll add another checkbox, and let's make an answer key of 2 and 4. Now let's preview this. So it's 2 points. I forget what I set it to. I know what I set this one to. I'm just gonna go option 1. All right. View score, and it'll let you view your score of what you have wrong. I forgot to set a point value here, but that is okay. And it will give you like responses like that and all that stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We have unfortunately run out of time. So hopefully I will see all of you guys back for the next video. If not, then come back later. So anyway, see you guys in the next video. Bye.